I think in this time period of just business in general, we have lost the art of just looking someone in the eye.
She's out and she's involved with everybody, on a personal level. Takes them out to lunch. Things I've never done that. That wasn't, my modus of operandi.
Working with our customers, and we want to make sure that they get it on time, but it has to be right. So quality is a huge part of what we do. Everything is important. Even if it's a $1 wire, it goes into something expensive, and it has to be right. And we will stop what we're doing and communicate with those design engineers or their purchasing agent to make sure that we're doing exactly what they want us to do, that we're building it the way that they intended, because we don't want to slow down their supply chain.
The reason they remain loyal to us is that we provide a quality product. And as they've grown, we've grown with them, and literally we're a vital part of their organization. And they come back to us because we deliver on time as well as a quality product, because their production line is dependent on us providing a quality item when they need it.
The family transition started, I want to say, almost 3 or 4 years ago. We've talked about it for years. We just never made any headway until recently. Part of it was that we started with family meetings, and the family meetings allowed us to see where everyone was, what their thoughts were about the business. Then we brought in professionals who helped us really start laying the groundwork, the foundation of what is this going to look like? And once we had buy-in, it was a thoughtful transition. My father's still engaged with the business. I'm there every single day. We want our customers to feel secure in the business, in the transition. My dad and I have this great synergy. He is the engineer, computer science guy. I'm the business person.
Karla has been here for 10 years and basically has been running the organization for the last 3 years. Should give most of our customers a warm feeling that the organization is in capable hands. Karla will always be there to answer your questions, and you can always reach out to her if you have any issues.
Karla, since she's been a young child working on my kitchen table, has been hardwired to take over Electrosoft.